What is up, mixing and mastering engineers? I'm SYNZ in the mix, and today I'm going to go over the 6 top VSTs that you need. Let's get right to it. Now, I personally use a lot more than 6 VSTs, but these are ones I could not mix without. Let's start. First one, FabFilter Q3. Best EQ in the game, you won't beat it. Second up, you guessed it, FabFilter Compressor. Gonna be a common theme in this video. FabFilter Compressor is perfect for all your compression needs. Really nothing's gonna beat this either. Third up, FabFilter Multiband. That's a weird thing. 3 Fab filters, but FabFilter kills it in the game. Best multiband compressor you could possibly have. Sidechain options, dynamic phase, linear phase, everything's perfect. Fourth up is a breakaway from FabFilter, and we're gonna go with Soothe II by Oak Sound. I think it's Oak Sound, it might be Oik Sound or something like that, but Soothe II, one of the best de-essers, one of the best harshness controllers in the game. You can't beat it. You can simply just go through its presets and put something on and walk away, and it's gonna do great. Absolutely great. You can also sidechain it. You can also turn the resolution up. There's so much you can do with Soothe II, and it makes every mix sound really good, especially if you put it on vocals. You can put it on drums that are harsh. You can put it on your master track. I put it on almost everything. Soothe II is fantastic. Fifth up is going to be FabFilter Pro R, which is their reverb. I personally really love this reverb, and it's just behind Valhalla. Valhalla is another great reverb you can use. I personally use the Pro R on all my mixes on return tracks because it's so adaptable and you can modify everything. Every single thing can be modified. You can EQ it, you can post EQ it, you can just EQ the verb. Great reverb, great reverb, great reverb. Lastly, something I can't live without, every single track I produce. FabFilter Pro L2 is on my master track at the end every single time. This is the only limiter I use. It is the best limiter in the game. You won't beat it. But there are some other competitors that are great. But for me personally, I use FabFilter for almost everything. Even in this top 6 VSTs, 5 of them are FabFilter. So if you get the FabFilter package, and this is not a sponsored video, but if you get the FabFilter package, you're getting 5 of my tops. And that's that. That was 6 VSTs that I think every beginning producer needs to be a successful producing, mixing, mastering, everything sound design. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you want more videos like this or some more tutorials. I'm going to be trying to post more here and there, but if you have any suggestions, please put it in the comments below and I'll try to get to it. Thanks for watching.